new BSc in Global Health and Social Medicine is a really unique degree for King's and in fact for the whole of the UK. It's a degree that combines for the first time social science with medical science. So it's a degree that is really genuinely interdisciplinary. And the reason why we've decided to develop this degree is because we really want to get at the factors that contribute to these gross disparities in health and illness that we see around us in the world today. So why is it that in some countries of the world, some people die at 37 and in other countries of the world they die at 82? Those disparities are not restricted either just to the global south. We see them also very much occurring even within the UK and the European Union. So we really want to try and get at the heart of why those disparities occur and why people have such different life expectancies and indeed quality of life whilst they're living their life. So our aim with this course is to try and investigate what factors drive those discrepancies. And we do that by looking at health and illness, but we're doing it through a sociological lens, because this isn't just a vocational course in health and illness. What we're really trying to do is look at the factors that have an impact on that. So that means that you necessarily must look at things like race, class, gender, political economy. So they're the sorts of overarching normative matters that we want to get at here. We want bright, capable students who can really tackle some of those deeply seated societal issues. So what we hope is that we will have students that will come to us with an interest and a passion for those matters and a sense of commitment towards their resolution. And what we hope to give you in return is a set of really high-level intellectual skills so that you can research these questions, you can debate these questions, you can argue these questions, and my hope is that ultimately you will play an incredibly important part in resolving them for future generations.
King's is a really amazing place at the moment. It's in a very vibrant state. It's expanding in all sorts of ways. So the community of King's, both the academic community and the student community, is really very dynamic. And King's is the most central university in London. We're right on the banks of the Thames. We're right next door to Somerset House. We're right next door to Covent Garden. We're right across the river from the South Bank with all its wonderful facilities, its galleries, the Tate Modern, the National Film Theatre and so on. So for a student who wants to come and experience life at the heart of one of the world's greatest cities, London, that world city, there can be nowhere better to be based than at King's. And it's not just that King's is great for those kinds of things, but the ethos of King's is, I think, something which is also very special. King's strapline, world questions, King's answers. Those people at King's, those people who study here, those people who research here, those people who teach here, are all committed to the practical importance of their knowledge in the real world. And that, I think, is an ethos that runs throughout the college and certainly runs through our department.